Aristotelian and Galilean conceptions of vertical, horizontal, and projectile motion. The development of our current understanding of the physics of motion gra- was gradual process that involved philosophers building upon existing philosophies, critiquing weakness and refining observation over time. Galileo Galilei made significant contribution to the modern physics with his law of falling bodies and the law of inertia. The concept of inertia states that an object motion can only be altered by external force acting upon it. Gravity, as observed by Galileo, accelerates all objects equally regardless of their mass of material compositions lying for the foundation for modern physics. In the context of terrestrial motion, four types were identified. First, alteration refers to chemical or physical change. Second, vertical or natural local motions described the natural movement of objects toward their natural positions based on Aristotle's four elements model. Third, horizontal or violent motion represents motion influenced by external processes that go against the natural progressions of motions. Fourth, celestial motions relates to the motion of celestial bodies in the universe. Projectile motions, a key conception explored by Galileo, involves objects moving along a convex path under the influence of gravity. Galileo demonstrated that the path of projectile is a parabola showcasing the combinations of horizontal and vertical motion. He also highlighted that vertical motion does not affect horizontal motion, and any projectile follows a parabolic trajectory. It has essential to note that the understanding of motions by natural philosophers was influenced by the prevailing philosophical belief of the time, while Galileo is credited with challenging early Aristotelian view of motion. Previous thinkers had also contributed to the exploration and experimentation in this field, leading to the gradual evolution of our understanding of motion. Aristotelian physics distin- distinguish between natural motion, which primarily involve vertical movements like falling or rising, and violent motion, associated with horizontal motion, such as projectile motions. According to Aristotle's principles, a constant force was believed necessary to maintain object in horizontal motion. These Aristotelian concepts were widely accepted from the time of Aristotle until Galileo's era. It requires substantial scientific efforts, evidence, and arguments to challenge and revive this view by Galileo's time increasing physical observation and contributing many Aristotelian ideas. Galileo played a crucial role in quantifying the rate of fall by measuring distance and time graphically plotting the results. Galileo conducted experiments using ramps instead of vis- viscous materials as Aristotle had done, leading to significantly different conclusions regarding the rate of fall. He accurately measured motion in both horizontal and vertical direction and conclude that the rate of fall could be better understood in terms of toward acceleration. Additionally, Galileo employed geometry for enhance the description of projectile motion, highlighting that horizontal motion experience, experiences zero acceleration, constant speed horizontally, while vertical motion involves accelerations due to gravity. Galileo's inventions approaches the experiments not only challenge Aristotelian physics but also laid the foundation for modern physics by introducing new concepts of motion, Alice- acceleration, and the relationship between horizontal and vertical components of motion. Galileo's experiments of falling bodies. Galileo's Galilea conducted a focused experiment at the Leaning Tower of Pisa, climbing its 352 steps with two balls of different weight. He dropped both balls from the top, observed their landing times, expecting the heavier one to land first. Surprisingly, both balls hit the ground simul- simultaneously regardless of their weight. The experiments demonstrated that objects fall in the same rate, ignoring air resistance, unless external factors alter this rate. In terms of violent motion, Galileo's experiment challenged the notions that heavier objects fall faster as proposed by Aristotle, while the authenticity of the Leaning Tower of Pisa experiments is debated. It aligned with similar observations made by earlier philosophers. Galileo employed the reductio ad absurdum method to refute Aristotle's belief that heavier objects fall faster by using a ramp to slow down the fall and floating position against time. While adjusting the slope, Galileo slowed the rate of fall or acceleration approaches a consistent value for objects regardless of their weight. The approach highlighted the fundamental principle that all objects experience that same acceleration due to the gravity when falling. Newton's inertia and Galileo and Galileo's assertions of motion focus on the concept of inertia which they explored before Sir Isaac Newton formulated the law of inertia. In his experiments, Galileo observed the behavior of a ball rolling on inclined planes. He noted that the ball's speed increased as it rolled down the incline due to gravity, while this decreased when moving upward. This observation led him to contemplate the ball's motion on horizontal plane. Galileo's experiments on a flat surface revealed that the ball would continue moving at a constant velocity unless functions intervened, eventually causing it to stop. He, he theorized that if fractions were neglected, the ball would remain its motion indefinitely unless the external force disrupted its state of motion. This resistance to change in motion, which Galileo termed inertia, became a cornerstone in understanding how objects behave in motion. Newton's first law of motion, inspired by Galileo's work, states that objects will remain at rest of uniform motion unless acted upon by an external force. This law defines an inertia of the property of objects to maintain their state of motion unless influenced by an external force. The key, the key concept is that in the absence of a net force, an object will sustain a constant velocity when an external force is applied and alters the object velocity due to the force impact. Why Galileo force Why Galileo focused on the effect of friction and resistance to motion. Newton's contribution was to defense force explicitly and its role in altering motions together. They assigns on inertia and motion lead the foundation of classical mechanics, shaping an understanding of how objects move and interact in the physical world.